Hello again. We've started off the day in a very cloudy, murky, misty, damp note, but as we go through the day, for most of us, it is going to be mainly dry, but it still will be fairly cloudy. But one thing you'll notice is it's also going to be mild. Now, the exception to that is across the north and the west of Scotland, where we do have a weather front that's producing some rain, and that rain will be on and off throughout the course of the day. But high pressure is still firmly in charge of our weather. Not much in the way of isobars, so not very windy, so nothing is really moving. So this rain remains on and off through the course of the afternoon across northern and western Scotland. The cloud here and there will be thick enough still to produce some drizzle, but it will break across northeast Scotland, parts of the central lowlands, northeast England, northeast Wales and southern counties. And here we should see some sunshine. Temperatures easily in double figures for the bulk of the UK, which is milder than we'd expect at the end of December. Now, through this evening and overnight, we still do have our weather front draped across the north and west of Scotland. It's slowly slipping southwards as a weakening feature. There will be some breaks in the cloud and we'll see some patchy mist and fog forming, and it will be cold enough across parts of the south where the cloud remains broken for the odd spot of frost. So tomorrow morning, we start off on that note. A bright start. A frosty start in the south with some sunshine, but you can see still a fair bit of cloud. And as our weather front continues to sink southwards and eastwards, continuing to weaken, it might have the odd spot of drizzle on it, but it's mostly going to be cloud, and it will tend to break up as we go through the day. So tomorrow will end up being a sunnier day than today, but a cooler one across parts of the south. Then as we head on from Thursday into Friday, still high pressure dominating our weather. We're likely to see some dense fog patches form across southern areas. And then we have another weather front coming in from the west, introducing some rain. Now that will weaken as it pushes southwards and eastwards, ending up not much more than a band of cloud. Some of the fog in the south will be slow to lift, if indeed it does. And you can see too, a lot of sunshine coming in across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. But as we move on into Saturday, we start off in the north with some rain, but during the course of the day it dries up. We'll see some sunshine, and it's the same on Sunday, and on both days it's going to be mild.